gentlemen, you are welcome to another edition of the Royal Connection with Clark Pintua. A damage sono. Now, send me money or him out room near the name it was Camberwell, who ran now or dress a Ghana for Okrumano, Vans London Boutique, and I'm the Wabano. Yeah, ba, then I bet you go and teach us so to every mommy. Here we go with all these very beautiful collection of shoes. I've got a very beautiful lady who goes by the name of Lady Fatima. If you are to choose 3 out of all these very beautiful shoes, which ones? What do you choose?
Choose this one.
The first is this one, okay. Second one?
This one.
This one. The third one?
This one.
This one. It looks as if you've got affection for studs.
Yes.
Because you chose this for the first one, and you've chosen this for the second one, and this is the third one.
Yeah.
So you've got a special liking for studs, yeah?
I like yes.
Okay. So these are your choices.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Wow, see how the lady shout and so I say, shop hard here. And then my man one lady job, a man so lady shout. Shirty and also I have a different colors, different types, different shapes, different sizes. Because say be a choose 3 from my boyfriend be a nasi ukuna. Yeah, which is wait, first one. Lovely one with some studs. Okay. Anyway, superstar. Anna, second one, which you see there? Another white with studs. Okay.
White and gold.
White and gold. So Ghana for your pisca. Okay. Last one, baby.
I just like this.
Oh, when so starts one. Beautiful. Now, yeah, what idea? Different now, they can say because that's a good choose one price cry.
Me, I don't mind the price. I don't mind the price at all. So for us, it's something of good quality. I don't mind the price at all.
What's it on the bro? Different or no? So I've got Sister Abby with me. Sister Abby, if you had to choose 3 out of this very beautiful collection of suits, which one would you choose?
Well, I like the first one. I'll choose the gold one.
The gold one?
Because gold is my favorite color.
Okay.
And I like it.
And then the second one?
Nice. And the second one, I'll choose the blue one.
The blue one?
Yeah.
And the third one?
And the third one, I'll go in for the black.
For the black?
Yeah, because black can match with anything that you wear.
That is very beautiful of you. Thank you very much.
Welcome. Thank you.
You are for the for Ohima Ekrum and your honor, and sending me can say, Yabani Ura Evans Ababedin Komono, or no one Vans London Boutique a one or Onana Egusa or dressing Ghana for a member or more Ohima Ekrum. It's because a share, what just to say? Nasan tribute, so what you share Nasan tribute. It's Ura, Okode. Ejumade what will be papa and go to make us what will be no. I'm say 4 years ago. And me co program be. Na me wo hwa me ko say me ko ensentro ni nti me ko tronsem. Me wan say yeah award be. Say me sure say 4 or 5 years ago.
About 5 years ago. Yeah.
Okay, so that time no. Na Vans London, Vans London, but na se me hwa. So that time na wo niema na wo kofa ba no. Na Vans London no inscription no enim.
That's right.
Na se say bi e wo mu ankasa. Na no hunti na ya ba, ye no ba bi go. E wo mu na tete, se say the collection e wo ankasa. Na no ho komo e say.
Oh, dear, say Juma. First of all, me da was say Musumenya Brea, what me about Mobestra of Vans London. I'm say as okay, and about 4 years ago, 4 to 5 years ago, no, now I shared business here. I say, we kind of business, the Oshas here, kakra. But American on who say Yankasa timid Vans London, no, a brand, and Kofobesh, Ebesha, who say Omunia African and a Ghanaian. And so, me, IBB, I'm almost a show. And you know, if I drink and I'm yes, okay. Make a cohun and paying for almost beat me, now nyoma mpaboa ne ntare e de ama ye betimi ahye ema medin advance ne bebom ema ye nuanom Africans na Ghanaians nso ehya omo nso mo hye omo nua Ghanaian and African ade enti no se ne o kan no we are going higher.
Now se mi twa na ne say potokasem no ye beka say we designer prekope.
Yes, we do. We designed, we sew, we do everything. If you look at even one of these, the name is there. If open different color, sizes, quantity, we can do it.
Now, but you're not born so well. Okay, as a boutique, you say, Bonica and sophistication, classy. Any other day, course, the next anybody, I'm saying, will be. Oh,
there be no bullshit on your DBA. Say, Chanel Kayano, your chassis, intimate born in your 50 per copper, but it would dissuade it so. Be a bar near Utsika, a son, Benyabiato. No born in Shadanya, Tintin,
now, Sebe, Ghana, ye were Memma or Ghana, and ye were Mao Ghana. Sanson, ye were Memma and Ma, me Ghana for Ukruma. Now, I didn't know what for Memma was a bed dress woman, and man so many. Oh, yeah, man, so man, dear, no, and no, so said Memma. Just a man is cat. And yes, a man is cat, on set a man, no, tari, shimuno, a bibika crack, because sometimes a man with Yako. There were a lot of shops almost on Manioma, and a Manioma so yet expensive to say Mema. Ain't you know, me no, and I said, Beman so there, oh, sis, you, Mona, oh, baby, I saw Lucusonco. And in a mammy, yes, a Mema shops a wool chrome hano, the Nelson will be a while, the same thing, Uko baby, I will be actually the same thing. Ain't me decided to maybe be so, Mema, and Mema no, etimi. Echo outer and alcohol party and engagement and as a wedding bibia you look different from others and into the man fans London eketa for a member most of the time but yeah man so but member the any no more wakasaba na answer na ye beto adwumadi no so no mebusa say enwum Ghana for nwum miensa be na woni gye ho
oh Ghana for nwum miensa meniche sakode enwum and a meniche Stoneball, and a meniche, why view? Such Shatawali. In the case, drop me in the bomba, Pussy, Awana, Ebo. Oh, Mebo Sakode, then you Benanka, over the ET. Can't let you go. Can't let you go. Yeah. And yeah, Mummy and Tisa. Okay. Jesse on the beat.
Yes, I was a media. I'm from my children to the swamp. When I bought in a media, it gets from the song. It will be taken in my go. It gets from the dawn. I get my food. Let just more. I love it. I love the song. It's my favorite. I can see my shorty from the driveway.
Yes. O can be all. Right, I'm supposed to be actually. What is it? Can you?
Sir, I don't speak.
Yeah, I know.
How it sounded, it will be our car.
What can they say?
I can see the shorty from the
There be a little bro.
And if you are kind of kind
there be all kind of say, what's in the sense? He's all kind of saying.
Oh, bye, baby, oh, back, baby, oh, back, baby, yeah, that's right.
What I say, I should be coming.
Oh, great. Okay.
It's where they now you're the family energy and Inca. Yeah. Now you're trying to come also. Now, vision away, but your vision of Ghana, and that's how I have been. Oh,
I think during school time now we'll be a business. Even some of my mates cried, they will witness it say when we were in school back days in Ghana, now I love business. Sometimes I used to do a lot. We could talk at the bus school. Now we'll be share and the phenomenon. That's it.
No, about your school bang. A business school.
Oh, it wasn't business school, but I was doing business.
That time you went to attack so.
Oh. You know,
Chinese
too. So that time, student into the tax, I go back to the government.
About your school band?
Sectec.
Sectec. What was it?
Okay. Yeah, BS Osikeni.
Oh, it's okay. No.
That's right.
Okay, now, when you have vision, now by from the vision to its experimentation level or its reality, it took you how long?
Like I say, it took me about 3-4 years. Oh. Yeah, because that time not once a chroma will be in himself back chroma for no matter what, so follow to the system. You know, there's some year juma.
Evans, why are they say what kind of vision on actually now Sanko school or Boise now, but is it a new community maybe a free or Ghana? Ghana miss me free. Me papa for Boise, until anything about me call school and most of the time we come but Boise and cool school. But maybe she are from in Santifo. If you come na yese kroma no to de bia na do na fees shop ye alata for dia na se amanfrafo afoforo e dia na office adenti na ya na amafo adwene sa se Ghana ni ntimi nye bia na ze.
Oh, I don't know. I go for me brave how we say na shop alata we alata ni na am say adentina almost 90% customers ni na gen say alata ni shop. But I think say yes Ghana for intimidating. But I would say when it comes to business, I'm say alata for no omo edienum kakra. Because alata for no backroom ha I am no pe omo anka sombe yo modwuma. Most of them and until I'm so who are only say a alata media. Say Ghana for no minim dia say be any dia but say Ghana for only boutiques will come and how many there, but when you say alata phone, because me can't say me buy room at let me talk no more alternation. Boutiques be 2 are now me alata phone, but now me who Ghana need there. Until them say nunti and I go for casa, but Ghana phone to get me.
Now, where there, maybe now, maybe so now, wouldn't Ghana for a whole draw more shop bits say it is a camp apart from one.
At the moment, clothing shop here. Minim clothing shop. Minim say grocery shops ne sa afro shops, that's it. And a restaurant. But when it comes to
let's just say let's say you pay piano more and as
oh come on, and say and I can't say when you look at a chrome hat here, because when it comes to clothing there, most of the time Nigerians no na I know yes I but Ghana ni you know anything no more fair say Abia na Nigeria ni but Ghana for yes you biti
ya bobo na investment we enye easy.
That's right.
Na yes so you know say Abia o person be ka kire dey be yen timi say enye easy say ubetimi abi boutique say. Na say obi person bi boutique say o dey say na start dey Omo je bia akwara bi pese onyi da chi a o start pe ni wi pese o sha se so ehu bo no.
That's right. First of all, the American say yen ka say obi ye juma yen ka say unhie skase na dia ye juma. I think so this is the second time I'm repeating it. It's not about how big your money is. It's not about how much money you have. But ni na ye vision. What you say? So vision, adwuma bi mu a, anase wo atwene anase enisuade hu bi wo, bi mu apese wo ya. Emfa hu ni say sika kakra kra na kuta wo betimi a start in a smaller scale. Enu ya so beka say me twenya £50,000 and sana me ye adwuma no. me no man starting say me started I quite remember I used to sell it in the car boot and na me dey no manu ku na me dey call from barber shop to barber shop. Enti it came to a time I mean say Nyakopon hyira me e wo de me ye no. I used to work me drop my juma na me ye as a full time. Then I came into a full time in this business and I can say onyame adom ma fa kese ne hyase then so onyame aye ne kese.
There's a vision na wo push.
The vision. That's all.
Share na san hwe bio. Mimbusa wa sem bia na mi ndai.
Pacho usabe.
We are sure.
So let me answer the
Aha, share na san hwe bio.
Yes.
Na the woman say young man, young boy. I go tell me say boy no. Me say man na medical kind no. Sebe ya any deal na boy there we boy to say o dress wo funso on to say die ni ade flat be a cost na say man na be how pa what do you know say
oh there be yes and man there mo how sir
and I was say sir
that's cause you wear quite there so busa
anytime we busa I refer to for here young man address say there a man be dem how
oh come on
that's
right and so I'm a family man
exactly
day no I'm a family man I've got children I've got
exactly
I have a wife so at the end of the day
exactly Sunday person
that's right
and you catch there yes you ati na the woman say say nkura no omo say
oh you say nkura no omo
for and go tell you busa we ni say a family oriented show
that's right
on papa bi ni ne ma hwe obi ni nua mo hwe now we better so a young boy and a young man tino timi yes ade no ni nkura so a family man so one can obi ni eno ntina edwumadi so no ye busa questions bi a ye busa so na de ewom titiri pa ne say enkwara 4 eni adwuma aboche adwuma wenye Ghana siwa bi behwe omo nana bi behwe omo o fan say
I would say it hasn't been easy at all. Never any easy beginning no. Only me chrome ha and crash any you be make say na be ma dey so nhwe nkra but no say if you were a father what I say if you were a father you cannot leave your kids with your wife or your partner alone. You have to also play part in their kids' life. And you know, I'm a father, and and you know I have to be part of my children's life.
Yeah.
And you know I have to combine the family aspect and the business aspect. And you know that's what I've been doing all this time. And I think the blessings also come from there because it's what food does for you and sometimes no Onyakopon no ushirawo adie bia oye so ede eboa onu nyame adwuma enti enkrahwe mu no enyame adwuma if you bring out a child in this world no one shall now that means you are not only nyame adwuma enti I think say ni nyina ka ho bi na ma Onyakopon so aboa me a metimi ahwe nkra ne adwuma a medu samre
hwe na san hwe bio na de me kire ni say what boy Nyankopon din bear 4 5 times. We Christo ni mapa on.
Oh yeah, of course.
I saw the now go.
At the moment Makumem cancel but Makumem I've been going to check my console but me now no me nyame me nipa.
I'm sorry bread.
That's right. But nyame
nipa kan kure.
And the kase ka wa lutia asofofo but me di Nyankopon di Unyame na mama yesi nyamiti ene. Nyame ni mo ankamini ya.
Good. Now secret back also a yepe oniema no say untimi kan anche dia onka. Ya na ufa free Italy, America, hinfa.
Oh, most of them from Italy, Turkey. I go almost everywhere in the world.
Yeah.
I'm someone who I travel a lot. People don't know.
Yeah.
But almost,
I know.
Almost every 2
and I'm part of the people.
That's right. Some people don't know. But I know you know because you are close to me. You know me. I think say you home for how long?
Yeah.
For so many years. Yeah. And you know, and I wouldn't miss and you know, make us say a easy because clothing business no untimi nkofa de ba akopɛ na fa meto na 1 month, 2 months, 3 months na no one you always have to travel out there and look for different stuff and come and sell. And I like to dress, I like fashion. It's my hobby. What I say, Juma we no so no say enya dia your hobby ne yedin ti eno na ma mitimi tu kwan ekọ Italy Turkey Thailand me tu kwan ekọ fa ne ma we ba se na be ya ebe ma amafo so address mo mo efe
good
that's right
oh yeah there now akọfa ne ma na gbu aboda
oh people say business there you senior obu ye adwuma emfa so mu no sana e council intino e bi asida people but nyina nyame intino ebubo wa no san bounce back
na me be sure because wabubo nyame din bebrebe so di na kwanso na we enema ese am fi se be sure mo na se ne ba kroma fo si e mu bi Tesco ba kwa o se local o se express o se say na wadwe no se obebie wataban
oh yeah energy on say
especially in Ghana.
That's it. Me yeah Advance London GH is coming up very soon. You see it.
And no sir, no they become kind. Said you be aya na say be Kumasi.
I won't cry.
Na Kumasi dey mo pese mo di bibia.
Oh, there be Kumasi be ko ba on say sisia no. Fine, Kumasi na me wo, but sisia me life nyina be Accra because bibia ya Accra na.
Adetina bibia ya Accra. So what the san ko si Accra, wo kan ho bi na Accra ya Accra.
There be enya sa say sisia no me fa say wo ye adwuma ye say unya aboafo. Fine. Now no omo mbe boa me ni nyina won cry.
Ye jime for mo Kumasi.
Oh, there. Ye bet me do mo ba Kumasi, but
ade mo pese ye be Kumasi ya na.
Ye be Kumasi ye why no? Me wie cry me ba Kumasi. See if free capital near call second capital.
Ashanti region capital Kumasi.
That's right. Ain't if free no, we're talking about Ghana.
Ghana.
It's Ghana capital Accra. From Accra no me Kumasi.
Okay. And abrochen so there em say ahankwana we wo.
That's right. At the moment,
why you say obe
Metro mission, but me see me be Ghana the first.
Answer.
Me be Ghana the na. Me best be for come. Ya me yadoma.
Yo, na answer na bia ye be wi kura no. Enema fefe di ne ntade ne mpaboy. Ya na ebi busa se why wadwene so be dress omo ye video shoots near the nso.
Oh yeah, me be.
Ah we on.
Me be. Me on kofo be my dress more people don't know.
Yeah.
My as me obi a me Ferrari kakra. Enti sometimes me timi aye production be but me nkobi.
Yeah.
Me timi ba no ma beje no mo de ko. But a lot of people are omo be hu omo hye ma bi ye ka se bo dia bebre but me no as me lay back kakra. Me dey ne say me de nyoma no be ba. Na me make sure say you look good but you won't even see me in the same. Sana me tie.
Ana me dey your friend me cross here dress me down.
Oh, but say what you me bra pen, you know. 89 a day. Wouldn't baby I will 89 on dress.
Shena sa help you. You try ho ba kwa ba. Was another day I told you come be I can simpi ache na ye hwehwe wa e wo London ha ye die nim na omonim no emfa na ombe hu.
Okay, Vance London Clothing ewo Camberwell Road is number 144 Camberwell Road, London SE5 0EE. Yewo Camberwell Road no so do London Sadok and Kwadia we should share Camberwell Overflowed. After Overflowed, we say Apple Green filling station. No, Uba Wenim Kakra. You were on the right hand side. You here from Monday to Saturday, from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. And Uba Hanswa, Bibia or Bibia, or say a customizer will be Bimawa Bibia Ewa.
Na mpacho say ebia me wo London so say the Ghana so na ebia me wo Manchester na me pese me say ne wo online me hu adi bi online na me pese me to and no just me fa car every Manchester na train eba London and san na
we send the call all over the world. As I'm talking to you, your parcels I send the call America. Me send the baby call.
O send the parcel to America.
That's right.
And we need part 2.
But this so you see there your friend is saying media world and I say it be social media and tino obi hu bibi o social media so no hu a opera. Ono answer what DM or answer what friend me number that social media.
It is see me try no pacho ye wo Ghana na obi ehu bibi na o pese wo to a otimito.
Pacho ye otimito.
What about Kumano?
Me de baka kuma DHL ho.
Yeah, I'm saying Ghana your breast na live still have
be send a PO box e be send am out see and I see akra de unhia PO box e betimi ama e do Ghana nkwan de will be over or de pass
bro.
Yeah.
Okay, until social media handles near there
Vance London Vance London. When you go Facebook it's Vance London and Instagram is Vance _ London and then that's it. And when you work my website and see www.vancelondon.com.
Okay.
BBR no
Any that's so near din komo na asa na ye de ye komo no ye bo no to fa no afutuo ema sebe obi a opese onyini eyesebo.
Afutuo no say me be a me pese me do no am say me nya nru ho mpo yet at the moment no asa me ka kire wo no afutuo kakra me de be ma obi a ono so pese ono so eye adwuma we bi ni say one fa no kre the cray bako udi no kra e wo adwuma mu a adwuma no koso and 2 say wo ma wani ko adwuma no ho so wo ma wani ko adwuma ho a obi kan wo hu na problem bi anso mba and 3 so timi esi sika ko se adwuma we no wo ton ne o ma wi a so timi esi sika no sa ne ko fa fofo ba nti obi a wo pe show so obi di sika ene uton na wadidi a ene untimi nya adwuma we investment so uton na waton na wasade egunu se na be every time bia no customers bar umbenya new things and so ato ena futu ba kwam de mema yinu am Ghana for say e ma yensuro say e bia e pese ya ye adwuma ade answer ehu ba ko e won kofo mu a almost all the time no pese mu yo adwuma they don't know how to start from and you know me can say and drink sika kese ho in a small scale bibia pese o ye bia no kakra o start ni nyina na so be build customers no so build customers is the best and yeah obi kan over 10 customers kra no that's how nyoma e fine no more pa you can make money from there you know that's if you have money pa and also it will also make you financially what do you call it independent you because sometimes you're doing see a be juma Monday to Friday whatever na ha tina me first me can say Nigerians no omo pe omo adwuma ye nti me no that was adwene a me so me dwene ye say me so metimi ay madwuma nti no me start no first ka kesi bia na start ye nyame adom na ama me do say adwuma den ene obi kan ahweyie na maye ena nyakopon adom ama me do say nti so obi opeso ye bibia no you know I'm also here if you want any advice I'll be able to give you any guidelines be out here.
Any that's say the Royal Connection show you can see about you be bane no abetwetwe ngokon nkomo ampa so wagye tata any atwe nkomo nti we dey hwe na san hwe bio